Our project will involve the construction of renewable energy biomass power plants. The project itself has benefited a lot on the assistance that was provided by the Private Financing Advisory Network, or PFAN. Through PFAN, we had that tremendous opportunities to be in linkage with the various potential investors as well as technology provider. We were able to be in contact with potential investors coming from Switzerland, from China, from Singapore, as well as from Thailand. This was again made possible through PFAN's sponsorship of our participation in the various fora on Clean Energy Investment Forum that were introduced by PFAN, not only in the Philippines, but as well as in Singapore, as well as in Japan. Likewise, we will also be able to be in contact with technology providers, such as in China, as well as in India. We expect to have our financing closure before the end of December of 2009. And this will be for the first phase of our project, because phase 1 of our project will involve the 30 megawatts. Then we will move on the second phase of the project, phase 2. Phase 2 of the project will involve installation of 45 megawatts, also renewable energy biomass power plants. And the third phase will involve 36 megawatts installed capacity, all a combined 111 megawatts of renewable energy biomass power plants that will be constructed in the Western Visayas region of the Philippines.